what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about the Farmacy BrightOn Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask. That is definitely a mouthful, but this mask is definitely amazing. So, like I said, this mask comes to us from Farmacy Beauty, which if you don't know anything about Farmacy Beauty, they're a great skincare brand. I don't think they have makeup yet, at least not that I've tried, but their skincare is absolutely amazing. I love it a lot, and it is also a clean brand, so it's clean at Sephora, so it may not have some of those parabens, sulfates, stuff like that. But before I tell you more about this amazing mask, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and let's get right into this mask review. So, like I said in the intro, this mask comes to us from Farmacy Beauty. It is $38. You can find it on Beautylish. You might be able to find it in Sephora as well. I know some Sephoras do carry Farmacy Beauty, which, thank God, because this is a great brand that I think more people should know about. I was lucky enough to get this mask from Beautylish in my lucky bag this year. If you haven't seen that video, I will link that down below for you guys to go check out. It is a really nice bag this year. I was super excited. I got a lot of really awesome products. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. But let me tell you what Farmacy has to say about this mask. Their product description on Beautylish says, brighten and detox in one step with this color-changing vitamin C clay mask. Super cool, by the way. That transforms color as it transforms your skin. BrightOn face mask contains antioxidants and AHAs to remove buildup and impurities to visibly improve skin texture and tone. Instantly reveal your brightest, most perfect skin. So I'm really excited for you guys to see what this does on camera. I have used it a few times before, but you guys are going to see exactly what it does in this video. This mask is really cool because as you massage it into your skin, the vitamin C capsules that are in the mask itself will turn the mask from lavender to green. So that's the color changing formula, and that's why it's so important to massage this one in with your hands. I know a lot of people like to, including me, like to paint their masks on with a brush, and that is okay for the most part, but for this one specifically, you're going to want to massage that into your skin. So, like I said, there is vitamin C in this mask, but there's other few ingredients that are also really, really special. And I'm going to read them straight from my phone here so I don't mess them up. So, it also includes kaolin and bentonite clay, and that's what helps detox the skin by removing your excess oil. So this might be really great if you have oily skin, but also I have dry skin and it works really, really well for me, especially after a long day. It also has aloe and a superfood blend of apple, broccoli, kale, blueberry, and cucumber to help nourish and moisturize the skin, which is really nice. That's why it also works for those dry skin people. You're gonna get some nourishment from this. It's not gonna completely dry you out. So it also has that fruit-derived AHA blend, and if you don't know what an AHA is, it's alpha hydroxy acid, and it's going to really help you to get the impurities out of the top of your skin, and it really promotes radiance and glow. And also, finally, it has sicoric acid. Sicoric acid, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps support collagen, promotes even skin tone, and fights free radical damage for healthier looking skin. So this is even going to help you even out your skin. Like, you might have a little impurities. Like, you can see there's a little bit of discoloration in some areas of my face. I've got some pimples going on, which always get some discoloration too. So this mask is great for that. So for $38, you do get a 50 milliliter or 1.7 fluid ounce bottle, which is actually a really good size. And let me even show you what it looks like here. This is the bottle, which I love. I love that they kind of hint at the color change from the purple to green here on the packaging as well. That's just super, super smart product design. So big shout out to whoever decided to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and go take off all of my makeup, and I'll be right back to put on this mask for you guys and show you just how the color changing works. Alright you guys, so I'm going to show you exactly how I like to apply this product. So I'm going to squeeze some out from the tube here. And you can always go back and get more, so just keep that in mind. But this is what the mask looks like when you first get it out of the tube. So this is before any of the color changing process happens. So it's got a slight lavender tint to it. And it smells really good. It smells really fresh, smells really clean, which makes sense because this is a clean brand. So I'm just going to take, it's a very thick mask, by the way. So I'm just going to kind of smear it where I want it to go. Make sure I have enough to cover the face before I really start to massage it into my skin. And you want to make sure you get all over the face too. It's good for the nose, it's good for the forehead. Get it everywhere. You could even put this down your neck too. Like I'm just saying. So I think I want to get a little bit more. So this is the trickiest part, isn't it? It's like trying to get some out after without making a huge mess. I made a mess, but I can clean that up later. So I'm just going to add a little bit more, kind of in this T-zone area. I want to make sure to be able to cover my whole forehead. I always apply masks super generously, even if they say not to, because I cannot help myself, you know. It's just a thing. Alright, so once you have it kind of all over, go ahead and massage that into your skin. Don't forget your nose, girl. Or boy, we don't judge on this channel. Once you have it all spread out, all nice and good, keep on massaging it. The more you massage, the more it's gonna change. I just also it tends to dry quick. So if you feel that happening before the color change actually occurs, you can get a little bit of water on your hands and keep it on going. So you can see it's kind of changing color a little bit. It's not like a dramatic green, but it's green. Like, you can tell it's green. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. I usually go for 10 minutes, and then I'll be right back to show you what my skin looks like after I wash this baby off. All right, so I quick wanted to show you guys what the mask looks like all dried, and look at why do I get so much enjoyment out of this? It's completely dry. It didn't change color as much as I have had it change color in the past, but it still looks sick, and it's still gonna do what it needs to do to make my skin look snatched. Okay, I know this is a super weird update, but I'm in the bathroom and it looks a lot more green. I got it a little bit wet with water to see what would happen. This is what it's supposed to look like, so don't be like me and put it on wrong. Go ahead and massage it into the skin with water and then let it dry. Pro tips from Meg. Alright guys, so I left my hair up here so you can see exactly what my skin looks like. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like my skin just has a little bit more of a glow to it, which is exactly what's supposed to happen with this mask. It is a brightening mask, and it also feels very purified. Like, I feel like around my nose, after a very long day, I feel like there's excess buildup in here, along with around my eyebrow area and on my cheeks. So now you guys can see exactly how much bad acne I have going on right now. But my face feels extremely clean. Like, I feel like I am good to go to bed right now. I don't have to do any other skincare. I feel awesome about my skin right now. Alright you guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video, and I really hope you think about giving the Farmacy mask a try, and please let me know in the comments down below if you plan on trying this mask, or you already have this mask and you also love it. Definitely highly recommend. You can buy it on Beautylish, you can buy it on farmacybeauty.com. As always, everything will be listed in the description box as to where you can get these products if you are interested. And As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys in Friday's video. Bye, guys.